Hey there, in this video, we're going to write content for Amazon products using AI. Hi, I'm Idan of Brandcentric. All right, we're going to use Jasper AI to write content for this website, bestpetsvacuum.com. Okay, it's a website that's all about the Best Pets Vacuum, Best Pet Vacuums, but the domain is Best Pets Vacuum. All right, the other domain was taken. So we are going to extract some information from Amazon. All right, we are in the review section. You can check out the last video where we talked about how to get some great information about the key benefits of a product in order to inject that into Jasper. In this section right here, we have a giant list of the pros of this product. This is the Eufy by Anchor Boost IQ Robot Vac. So, this user has some great information in which we can drag over to Jasper, okay? So, what are they saying about this product? The app is great, intuitive and easy, thanks so much. Sucks up so much hair. So, we want some information. So, a vacuum like this, maybe someone wants to know that it sucks up a lot of hair because it's a robot vacuum. It's not a stand-up. Consumer wants to know that it sucks up a lot of hair, that it has a long battery life. All right, so let's get some information and drag it over. So the edge mode does a good job. Get stuck on cord is also all right. Let's drag this. Let's drag. So great at sucking up dirt, gentle on your stuff, really easy to clean and empty. I like that one too. So really clean, easy to clean and empty. What else? What did it say about the awesome battery management? Okay, there you go. So we have 3 key benefits, and then the product info. Let's go back to the main page, and it's a bit slow, so all right. So for the product info, we drag it, we get information from about this item, and then we get the actual item name right here. Drag that and put it in product name. All right, while we're doing that, we want to drag the key benefits and features into this product description. Okay, because it also wants key benefits and features. Okay, so we can press generate AI content over here, and we're going to press generate AI content over here. Okay, so they are both generating. Let's see what this one says. Okay. The Eufy Robot Vac is a powerful and efficient robot vacuum cleaner that's perfect for homes with pets or allergies. So that's great because we want to rank for pets and allergies, those 2 keywords. So this one we'll probably use. This one, tangle-free Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds. This is all great. Okay. Awesome battery power. Okay, and we can see here that it's extracting. If we go here, we can see that great at sucking up dirt, really easy to manage. We have 3 key benefits and features, but what it did is it looked at the product info and it just generated on its own the Wi-Fi convenience, which is at the top. Wi-Fi convenience. It sees the Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so it just added that, which is fine. We can add that. But going back to our post, which we already did, our features are great suction, excellent build quality. Okay, and we've done this for the iRobot as well. We wanted to again speak about the battery life, that it's a great app, and its cleaning system. Okay, so far we like this technique, and we're going to keep on using it. Yeah, I mean, some of this and some of the human element with some images, and you can get your post ranking. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Check out the affiliate link in the description below, and thanks for watching. Bye.